Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a fall get ready with me. I'm going to be doing this eyeshadow look I am wearing right now, and I'm going to be testing out some new makeup products I got in my Pixie Beauty PR package. But before we start the video, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you. Also, go ahead and turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a video. I upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be going in with is this Pixie Beauty H2O Shrink Drink Hydration Gel. And I'm just going to be putting it all over my face. It smells really good. Now I'm going to be moving on to foundation, and for foundation I am going to be using the MAC Studio Fix, and I am in the shade NC10. I'm just going to be putting a little on the back of my hand, taking my beauty blender and just blending it all over my face. This is an extremely matte foundation, I feel like, but it definitely is a full coverage foundation, and I really like this foundation. Next is concealer, and I'm going to be taking the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Concealer. This concealer is maybe a shade too dark for my skin, so I am going to be mixing in some Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and it's in the shade Fair. I'm almost out of it. And then I'm just going to take my beauty blender and blend it all out. I really like the Giorgio Armani concealer. I think it works really good for under my eyes especially. I feel like it covers all the bags and lines under my eyes. I just need a shade lighter. Now I am going to hurry up and set my under eyes before there is any creasing, and I'm going to be using the Becca Hydro Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I got this powder in a BoxyCharm, and I'm just now getting around to using it. I really do like it. It does oxidize a little, so that's just something to be cautious of. Now I am just going to be setting the rest of my face with that same powder, but I'm going to be going in with a fluffy powder brush. I think I also got this powder brush from BoxyCharm. I had BoxyCharm for probably over a year, and I really loved it. I just got a new card on my bank account, and I forgot to update my payment information on my account, so it closed my account, and I just never have got around to starting a new account. I definitely want to start doing BoxyCharm soon. I feel like their products are really good, and I really like it a lot better than Ipsy. I had Ipsy before in the past, and it wasn't for me. So I definitely do want to get BoxyCharm again. In the comments down below, comment and let me know what you guys like better. Do you like BoxyCharm better, or do you like Ipsy better? So now I am going to be moving on to brows, and I am going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil today. I am almost out of this, and I've been wanting to try a new brow product, but I just don't know what to try. I've been thinking about trying the Benefit Precise Brow Pencil. Okay, so now my brows are done, so I'm going to be moving on to some bronzer, blush, and highlighter. So I'm going to be trying something different today that I've never used before. Yesterday, I actually received a PR package from Pixie Beauty. I want to show you guys if I can. It's super, super cute. And in the PR package is this little face palette right here that I'm going to be using today. Here it is. It's so pretty. So I'm going to be using this today. First, I'm going to be going in with this bronzer right here. If I can find my brush. So I'm just going to be taking my brush in this bronzer. I forgot to mention the name of this palette I'm using. This is the Sugar Blossom Face Palette by Pixie Beauty, if anyone's interested. So now I'm going to just be going in with this blush right here, just a little bit because it definitely looks bright. Definitely don't want to use too much of this. I used to hate using blush, but actually now I really enjoy it. Okay, now I'm going to be using a highlighter, and you guys can tell that this little palette has two different highlighters. This one's more of a pink highlighter, and this one's more of a gold, if it will focus. And I think today I'm going to be going in with the more of a gold highlighter because I'm trying to do more of a fall look. It's super pretty. And I'm going to just put some on my nose, my Cupid's bow, a little bit on my chin. And then I'm going to be putting some on my forehead. I'm going to be going on my brow bones and going up. Okay, so now I'm done with my face, so I'm going to be moving on to my eyes. And I'm going to be priming my eyes with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just going to be taking a concealer brush and I'm just going to be packing all of that down and lining my eyebrow. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using an eyeshadow palette that came in my Pixie Beauty PR package. This is the Rosette Ray. When I seen this, I knew that it would be perfect for a fall look. The first shade I'm going to be using is this shade in the far right. It's called Black Tulip. And I'm just going to be taking it on a little packing brush and I'm just going to be putting it on the outer corner of my eye. And I'm kind of going to be doing like little flicking motions with my brush. Now I'm just going to be kind of dragging that over the crease of my eye. I'm going to still be doing the little flicking motions and also just packing it down. This is my first time using a Pixie Beauty eyeshadow. I've used a lot of different Pixie Beauty products, but this is the first time using their eyeshadow. And just by swatching it, I could tell that it was like super creamy and pigmented, and it's going on my eye really good. Really simple. It's like effortless almost. There's no fallout or anything like that. It looks really good. So I'm just going to be doing the same thing to my other eye now. Okay, so now I'm thinking I'm going to be adding this shade right here. It is called Berry. I'm going to be taking it on a flat tapered brush, and I am just going to be going and blending it along the eyeshadow I just applied. I wanted to add kind of a reddish shade to this look. Okay, so now I'm just going to be taking a fluffy blending brush with no product on it, and I'm just going to be blending everything out so there are no harsh lines. Okay guys, so this eyeshadow formula is really good. I feel like it's almost effortless to blend out. I'm not having any issues, and it's like blending out and it's so pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with this shimmer shadow right here. It is shade Plum, and I'm just taking a flat packing brush, and I'm just going to be putting that in the crease of my eye. Okay, so now I'm just going to be going in and doing my lower lash line, and I'm just going to be going back in with that dark shade right here. And I am just going to be dragging it all along my lash line. And now I'm just going to be going back in with that berry shade, and I'm just going to be blending out my lash line. So this is what my eyeshadow looks like, and I'm really loving it. So now I just want to add a little bit, and I'm going to be taking my pink finger, and I'm just going to be going in with this little light shade right here. It is called Ice, and I'm just going to be adding some to my inner corner of my eyes. then I'm going to add some to my brow bone as well. Okay guys, I'm going to go off camera real quick and apply some mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back with the final look. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. If you are interested in another fall get ready with me, like this video and comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.